Okay, welcome back. So in this part 2 of the training tutorial, once we have finished the hero image and the banner for the first section, the second section, what we're going to do is that I'm going to introduce a free course to get my visitors to sign up the free course via my affiliate link so that when they sign up the free course and purchase the publisher rocket software, I will get my commission also. So I'm going to upload the image for the course. So replace, add the file. So this is the image of the course. So I add. Okay, so once the image has been uploaded, I click on use. Okay, so this is the image. You can edit as well. Okay, so looks like it's properly cropped, so it's okay. So just click save. Okay, so this is the image that I'll be using for the free Amazon ads course. So for the title over here, I'm going to type in free Amazon ads course. Okay, the type you can select header 1. If it's too big, you can choose header 2. Okay, and the font size you can adjust accordingly from here. Okay, and for here I will type in some description about the course. Okay, so I'm going to just paste over the description. So this 5-day Amazon ad course will walk you through all this information. Okay, so this is the basically the section, and for here I'm going to paste in my affiliate link for the free course. So this is my affiliate link. I'm going to copy and click on this button, and it is an external page or website, so I select this option, the URL, right click, paste, and it should open in a new tab. Okay, so the call to action, I will change the text to sign up for free. Okay, so this is the call to action. Then it's done. Okay, so this is the second session. So the first section is I'll have a basic introduction for the website. This is a simple website for Kindle direct publishing tips. And the second section, I'm going to get the visitor to sign up for this free course via my affiliate link, so that eventually when they purchase the software publisher rocket, I'll get my commission as well. So then in the next tutorial video, I'll share with you how I'm going to complete the third section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.